Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I am recording this for the second time because my mic wasn't on. Stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see how I added this Freebie Friday dashboard to my planner. This is available to Scrapcraftastic Facebook group members, and I printed it on sticker paper, trimmed it down to add to my A5 Stalogy, which is my everyday planner. All right, so that is available, and I'll show you how I did it at the end of the video. I also did recently get around to changing the cover on this planner, and this digital is available to channel members. And I'll show you how I did it at the end of the video. So we have some new digitals upcoming and already released. Some of these are coming up soon, some already released, available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, depending on the tier of membership. So these are something kind of new. It is a basic boxes kit, but it is a pared down kit, so it's 4 pages. And this is the beginning of metallics. You get kind of the best of both worlds. No glare, but you get that shiny metallic look. These are the gold boxes, the first set. You have Happy Planner size full boxes and Erin Condren size full boxes, quarter boxes, half boxes. These sheets can be cut to half page or quarter page, depending on how you store your stickers, or you can leave it full page. These are digitals ready to be used with Cricut or Silhouette. Then this page has double boxes, Erin Condren size and Happy Planner size, half boxes, month boxes, more month boxes, a little smaller month box, and sidebar boxes or the long boxes. Then I did a set of smaller boxes for those smaller planners because I know not everybody uses classic size planners. So sometimes you want a smaller box for your month. Hopefully, one of these will work. And there's no rule that says a box has to fit within a box. Um, it kind of makes spreads a little more interesting sometimes when you have the boxes going over multiple columns or making their own space in between boxes. Here's some more double boxes. This is the only sheet that cannot be cut in quarters. This part here can only be cut in half because of the long boxes, but the bottom section can also be cut in quarters. This sheet is the labels and scallop boxes. Normally, this second set down here would have a shaded inside box, but I thought it was better for these, since they are metallics, to just leave them all with the white inside. Also, on the full boxes and some of the other boxes, the double boxes, I don't know if that's going to come through on camera, but some of these have dot grid. So if you need a little guidance when you're writing in your boxes, that is an option. All right, so that is it for these. If these are received well, then I will do other color metallics. And if you have suggestions or requests, drop down in the comments and let me know. So this is also something new. This is called scenes. It is different elements or scenes related to whatever season or month that these are released for. So this is the one for December. This is December scenes. And this is what it looks like. I usually print two when I print, so I have multiples of it. And yep, this is something simple. You can print this on sticker paper like I did. You can print these as die cuts, use them in your journals. If you make cards, you can use them as die cuts for your cards or other paper crafts. There's no, you don't necessarily have to use these as stickers. And I'll probably do a variety of how I use them. I may go back and cut this particular sheet to use in the December daily journal that we are making on here on the channel. I'll link to those videos in the iCard up above. Yeah, these would make nice little die cuts. You could even use some of them to make tuck spots or to embellish pockets, things like that. We'll get into all of that. And yeah, I think that is a good idea to use that. All right. So here is the December journaling page. These are designed to complement your other stickers. So if you have dolls, you want to add more of a festive look to the page, or you're using other deco stickers, these are pieces that can add just a special decorative element to your journal or your planner. Again, you can use these in any kind of journal, and you can print and cut these on paper to use maybe like a little corner tuck spot or something like that, or as layering pieces. They work well for that also. With basically all of these, you can cut them by hand manually or use your digital cutting machine. So silhouette cricket. Here is the fall scenes, and these elements are a little larger than what you would normally see on a sticker sheet because, again, you can use these as die cut pieces, decorative elements in journals, not just necessarily for planners. And then here we go with the monthly kit for December. It's kind of got a vintage, non-traditional feel to it, even though it does have a traditional poinsettia. The color scheme is a little non-traditional with a little vintage touch. So you get the header pieces, two washi style pieces, a lined sidebar, some lined and blank boxes, basic boxes, Monday through Sunday and 1 through 31, as well as some appointment boxes and flags. Something very simple, again, designed to complement your other stickers. So to work with your existing dolls or existing deco. So that's the monthly kit, all available to Scrapcraftastic patrons, again, depending on your level. Now, this is throwback, but there is a collection of digitals available to patrons for New Year preparation. And this is part of that collection. So I went through to prepare my planners for 2025 and print and cut everything I feel like I might need from that collection for now. There's more, there's a lot more. But this is all the holidays and occasions in a more fancy script designed font. I did cut the corner off of this one because I needed this registration mark. It didn't print on something else I was printing and cutting. So yeah, I cut that off and stuck it onto the other sheet. So that's why that's missing. But these can be cut in half sheets or quarter sheets, however you want to, or leave them as full sheets. So we've got May and June, and I did 3 of each because I have multiple planners. That way I can cut them in quarter pages and store them with whatever planner I'm using them in. So this is May, June, July, August, September, January, February, March. They're not in order. I kind of just print and cut, however. So January, February, March, April. Then we got October, November, December. And then this sheet also has all of the full moons. Then this, I don't think is in the New Year's prep, but I needed some more Walmart stickers. And since all of these come on this particular sheet, I just printed them all. So these are print and cut. Also a bit available to patrons. This is another set of holidays and occasions, but just in a simple serif font, easy to use on your monthlies, especially if you use printable inserts that are just blank inserts, then you can go through and add all the holidays and occasions to your monthlies. Each sheet has 2 sets for the whole year, so I printed 2 sheets. I have more than enough, and I don't think I used them all for 2024 anyway. So I have plenty. Then back to more throwback stickers. I think this is one of the first designs for a Scrapcraftastic weekly planner and journal challenge prompt. I believe this one was for hot chocolate. So this is the deco sheet, and I just felt like I wanted to use this again. I used one of the leftover florals from last year, and I was like, I should print and cut that again. So here we go. Print and cut it. Did 2 sheets of the deco, and I did 2 sheets of the floral that went with that. So this is the floral. And then this is the set of boxes that can be used with it as well. So you got washi strips, full boxes, half boxes, deco boxes, and the torn boxes. So that's that one. And then this one was also done around the same time, and it is a non-traditional fall look with the buffalo plaid pumpkin and bow. I think that's really nice. And then the washi strips, the decorative boxes, and the torn boxes. You get a few bullet points on both of these as well. And that is it. So there we go. We got new and old to play with. So if you are not a patron, check it out. The link is in the description box below. And of course, there will be more to come. So I'm going to go ahead and share the video on how I added the dashboard to my planner here. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.